Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to share a story of how last week we made our clients $10,000 from their YouTube channel with a video with less than 100 views. So this is the Investor Life YouTube channel, and they are real estate investors here in Canada. They're in Alberta, we're here in Vancouver, British Columbia. They are our clients, so we run their YouTube channel for them. Pretty much they provide us the content and we take care of the rest. From the editing and uploading, the YouTube thumbnail design, the search engine optimization on their videos. And in fact, they don't even really film their videos. I actually extract content from their live streams that they do every Tuesdays. So they're not even specifically filming videos for YouTube. So last week, we got this text from Tiffany, which states, "We got our first paid customers from YouTube last weekend. They bought Ignited membership and are loving it. So that's a huge win in my books. Thank you guys for your continued support and driving of it." So their Ignited membership, which is this high-end coaching program that they teach, and it's to get into real estate investing specifically for Canadians. That membership is $10,000 per year, and someone bought that from watching one of their YouTube videos. So as you can see here on the Investor Life YouTube channel, I just started working with them in February of this year in 2021. And if we head over to their videos, I treat their channel as if it were my own, and I'm doing literally the exact same thing that we do with our channel to their channel. So you can see initially, their videos don't get a huge amount of views. And that's because we rank them for search. So what that means is they take longer to work into the algorithm, but when they do, over time, they do end up getting more views. And I find when you rank your videos for search, it's a stronger connection with the potential viewer / customer. So what do I mean by that? So I'm very specific with the videos that I choose for their channel. For example, this latest one that I did for them a day ago, it says, "Can you do wholesale and assignments in Canada?" So it's a very specific question to do with real estate investing, and it's targeted for Canadians. I don't just go wholesale and assignments and be generic about it. I'm trying to get really specific because I want to capture a Canadian that is typing in to Google and YouTube, because remember, your videos show up in Google search. I want to capture a Canadian typing in, "Can you do wholesale and assignments in Canada?" And I want Tiffany and Corey's video of Investor Life to show up at the top. And so I'm very strategic and very specific with the videos that I'm going for, because there are a lot of competition in real estate. So that's why I'm even going further, and I'm going real estate in Canada. There's still some competition, and so I'm going even further and further. And even though that video has less than 100 views, you could get someone purchasing a $10,000 enrollment to their high-end program, because they are amazing teachers. If you are interested in real estate investing in Canada, I do highly recommend learning from them. And so I'm trying to get that exact connection. When someone types that in, they see that video answering their exact question that they typed in, and then that video will answer their question. They'll get a good feeling from it and want to know more. They'll head to their website. They'll head to their Facebook group. Let me show you the description of their videos. So this is one of their live streams. Again, they don't actually really film videos very much for YouTube. I extract from their weekly live streams. And in the description here, you can see that they have, one of their first links is to their Facebook group. They have an amazing Facebook group with a lot of engagement, and their constantly providing value, you can reach them in there. You can get in contact with them. And so that's kind of like the trajectory of the funnel that we're trying to do here. That's how we're using their YouTube channel. And you can even see their YouTube channel doesn't even have a lot of subscribers. It has 1,590 subscribers right now, almost 1,600. But yet they're not monetized yet. They're not part of the YouTube Partner Program yet. They still need to get their 4,000 watch hours. But they already just did like a $10,000 sale. And so that's what we're trying to tell people, is that you don't need to have a lot of subscribers, have a lot of views. If you're positioning yourself correctly, you can make these kinds of transactions. And so obviously they're super happy. They're really excited. They want to keep pumping out the videos. And we actually only do 1 video a week right now. So it's not even totally crazy. It's 4 videos a month. But it's the consistency, it's the SEO, it's positioning yourself, and it's having the pieces in place to make this all work. So I wanted to share that with you guys because it's totally possible. It's totally doable. We literally got that text from Tiffany last week, and it's a win-win-win for everybody. It's a win for us. It's a win for Tiffany and Corey. It's a win for that person who bought the program because they're so happy that they found someone that they can learn from. So it's all wins all around. If you guys are interested in our YouTube SEO strategy, we do have a 5-step system that is in an online course. You guys can check that out down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.